What's going on, guys? RevItUp7 here. Today we're going to be opening up the newest assortment of mystery models I found at my local Walmart. Just one of them because I got there after they had already been sifted through. There was a single one that I found in a box of the previous assortment, and I haven't been to Walmart in a while to look at Hot Wheels. I've been to other grocery stores, but not necessarily Walmart. So I figured it was pretty cool that there was one left, and it seemed to be accidentally dropped down another box, so hopefully it's not one that's been sifted through and it's not a really desirable car. But yeah, so it is part of the apparently Series 2. I don't know how the series works. I think this is 8 if you're judging it since the original bag mystery models in 2014 or 15. But yeah, apparently Series 2. I don't really understand when 1 began again, but yeah. Oh man, I hate the little window here. I'm accidentally seeing the name. I saw a W. I'm not going to think too much into that. Anyway, on the packaging for these ones, you've got a beach setting, like a Hot Wheels car beach setting. Got a Viper here, Corvette, Twin Mill. These are all the cars in the assortment. Is that Carbonic, Diesel Boy, which is a mystery model a lot, Riveted. I think that's Monoposto, and Faradox, Zodic, Rocket Box, and Bone Shaker. Okay, that's cool. I recognize every car in this assortment. That doesn't usually happen. It's pretty cool. And the font is all like Miami Vice for this series, so hopefully it's going to be cool colors and stuff like that. The chase cars are a 55 Chevy and the 2014 Corvette Stingray and the Viper. I love Dodge Vipers. I'm hoping to get that. I don't get a lot of Twin Mills. Twin Mills are pretty cool. Bone Shaker. Riveted would be sick. But yeah, this is a pretty solid assortment, so I'm happy with whatever I get. Don't really care about Carbonic, but hope for the best. Okay, here we go. Oh, sweet! Sweet! The sticker is just a Hot Wheels logo, but that's still kind of cool. And this Twin Mill, wow! This is a good-looking car. Beautiful. Wow, it's got this awesome turquoise with orange and yellow paint scheme. Got the number 5 right down here. Very cool car. Doesn't weigh that much because it's a plastic-based Twin Mill, but still very cool. One of the original 16 Hot Wheels cars ever. And here we are in 2020. 52 years later. Pretty cool. It's got a shorter wheelbase in the front. I don't know if you can see that. Or narrower wheelbase. The nicer 5-spoke wheels. I don't know exactly what these are called. I know the traditional 5 spokes are, do I have any right here? No, I don't. But these aren't the traditional 5 spokes. I don't know what they're called, though. They got like a little ridge inside the wheel that makes them look even nicer. Kind of like torque thruster wheels. Pretty cool. Car rolls really well, too. I'm going to put this one on display. I have all my Dioras on display, the 3 generations Diora, Diora 1, Diora 2, and Diora 3. And it'd be pretty sick to put this up there with the Twin Mills 1 through 4, if you count Generation E. But yeah, very cool. Very cool. And the sticker is a Hot Wheels logo. I wonder if the other stickers are cars or whatever. But yeah, that's nice. Oh. Well, thank you guys for watching. Just a little quick video I figured I'd upload before Saturday's larger video. But yeah, pretty cool car. I'm actually very happy with this Twin Mill. It looks better than the turquoise that was on the box, or the bag. The turquoise on the bag made it look like it was going to be more of a blue. And this is more of that seafoam green. The color of my room. So, thank you guys very much for watching. If you haven't checked it out, please check out my my recreation of my real-life car. I turned it into a Hot Wheels car. You can look at that video here. If the end screen puts it here, I'll try to put it there. But if not, thanks for watching this one, and bye-bye.